Sorry.
We fought very battles. Sparta enjoyed and fought well. But I've always respected your father. Priam is a good man, a good king. I respect him as my ally.
Ayaw, damat.
An adversary. And I respect him now as my ally. Let us live to peace.
Peace between Troy and Sparta.
Liwanag, no? O, Jerome, sabi mo pag nandiyan ako, Jerome, ha? Pag-isang sinila.
I may guess. We have come to see the moon in Sparta. I'm now looking at it. I know you. I know you will of Sparta.
Don't play with me, please. Don't play.
Once in my life, concerned and abroad.
You didn't get to know me.
I know you will of Sparta. And I'm trying to say the same. So that way numbers. But you said this is a hard.
But I am afraid of tomorrow.
Do not be. I'm here. Come with me. It's Roy.
Menelaus is a fierce man. He will kill us.
If you come, never stay. Men will hack us and the God will curse us. But I love you until the day we spend the battle.